Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl itsEphya and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about nail tutorial, first on nails, and I got this nails from chicashop.dk. I'm gonna put the link below, so in case you guys want to purchase some or something, you just click on the link. So this nails comes with 10 price on nails, I guess, and one glue as well. Oh, okay, so there are more extra nails in it, and these are alcohol pads for cleaning, I guess. Yeah, so before I start with the nails, I'm just gonna push my Q2 back so the nails can look as natural as possible. So you just take this and just try and push it back like this.
But my music fire, it drive them crazy. I want me one me for my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me ready.
So I just took my nail cutter and I'm just trying to cut the excess flesh so the nail can look natural as possible. But be careful with this process so you don't cut yourself. Don't cut like too much, just a little bit. So even though there is a glue that comes with the nail, I still like to use my own glue though, because I don't really trust these kind of glues. I've used some several times and then the nails just cancel. So I think this time I'm just going to blend these two glues. Maybe it's going to stick better. So I'll just take the nail, just measure it, and I think it fits perfectly. So I'll just go in with the two glues.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band okay? Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw well, okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you.
So I'll go ahead with the next one, and I always want to measure it first. And I can see this is kind of big, so I'll try it on the next one, and it fits here perfectly, so I'm just gonna use it there.
But my music fire, it drive them crazy. I want me one me for my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling on me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake who's man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw well, okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hit me when you see me now. Tobari me in the street, to my say, only make am. They got the gun. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I need more, yeah. Original bad man.
itsEphya.
Standard.
Original bad man. Eh, oh, his body baby.
And guys, it is very important that when you put like the nails on, make sure you kind of press it very hard so the glue can just stick, else it might fall off.
Another bottle don't go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Tobari me want my nigga. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know make them want
This is a bit small for me, so I'm just gonna check the extra ones and see if I can get a bigger one in it.
If you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see me,
This is big.
Tobari me in the street, to my say, only make am. They got the gun.
Yeah.
Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I need more, yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me
I'm kind of trying to press it into your nose.
them know. See my people them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hit me when you see me. Nah. They want to know. Tobari me in the street, to my say, only make am. They got the gun. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I need more, yeah. Original bad man.
itsEphya.
Standard.
And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. Eh, oh, his body baby.
itsEphya.
Standard.
Catching that vibe.
So this is how it looks now, and I always like them to shine a little bit. I don't really like it to be matte, so I'm going to apply my base coat from gel-lac.dk.
Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Nobody me want my nigga. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV.
And just so you know, this is optional. You can do it if you want to, and you can just leave it this way. I personally prefer it this way. That's why I'm doing it.
Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì, but my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me one gbọ́ mi, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. for me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling on me yard and me sitting on the low key. Shake cozy. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down.
I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this is the one with the top coat and this is the one with nothing. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one as well. So this is it. After I apply the gel, the top gel, and I'll go in with my oil.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Nobody me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and at least learned something from it. See you guys in my next video. Please share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.